Hi, so this is my v20. I'm going to give you an up-close look at the SIM card and microSD card slots. So let me go ahead and power down. So I'm going to go ahead now and eject the case, and the button's on the left side. So I'm going to push this button to eject the backing. And when you eject the backing, it's going to come up from the left side. And so when you put it on, make sure to angle the right side first and then put it back down on the left side. So let me go ahead, and you'll notice I have a micro SD card here and also a micro SIM. Now after you've removed the cover, you'll notice there is the micro SD card memory card, and underneath it is the Nano SIM. So you have to remove the battery here. So what I'm going to do is remove the battery to get access to the Nano SIM, and you'll notice that the notch itself for the memory card is on the right side. So let me go ahead and remove the memory card here. And when I remove the memory card, if you're having trouble, you might want to use Scotch tape to pull it out. But in my case, I'm going to slowly use my fingernail, and you'll notice here that it is placed right along that edge there. And you'll notice that exposes the Nano SIM card. And the Nano SIM card, similarly, you might want to use a Scotch tape to pull it out if necessary, but in my case I'm just going to use my fingernails here, and I'm just going to push it out. So you notice that the notch is on that top left, and that's the look. And you'll notice there is some inscription there, right there, that shows you the orientation with the Nano SIM card facing down. So I'm going to put in my Nano SIM card here, and keep in mind the Nano SIM card, if you can't tell between what's the Nano SIM card and micro, and you'll notice the micro SIM card has a lot of white space at the bottom, whereas the Nano SIM card, the entire face of the SIM card is covered with the circuit. I have the notch facing up towards the top, so that's the notch right there. And I'm just gonna slide it in while I am. So I have it slide in now, and I simply put in the micro SD memory card, and keep in mind that the notch here for the memory card is on the right side, and I'm gonna just slip it in. And you want to slip it all the way in, as you can see, till that thing touches the side there, and so it's in nice and tight. And that's really it. That is the up-close view of the micro SD card and the Nano SIM, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.